started small, but God was there. He kept me safe and showed He can. Every year I learned and grew, and through it all He has brought me through. I'm 14 now, and I can see God had a purpose just for me. When I look back where I've been, I know that God was there back then. From a primitive baby to 40, God has been working in my life through every year and every day. He's leading me on His way. From a primitive baby to 40, I know that God has a plan for me. I'm gonna trust Him. I'm gonna pray and follow Him every day. There were things I couldn't understand, but God was always holding my hand. Step by step, He helped me grow, and now I'm ready for what's next to come. I'm not looking back with you no more. I'm thankful for each and passing year. My story isn't finished yet. There's still more ahead that I'll be seeing. Oh, for the premium baby, for party that has been working in my life. You every year and every day that the lady His way. I'm still growing, learning, walking in His way. I'm still trying, trusting God has guided me each and every day. From a creamy baby to 14, look at what God has done for me. He brought me through, He helped me grow, and there's still more for me to know. From a creamy baby, my story is a testimony, testimony. What bring me, baby, to 14? My story is a testimony. I'll give Him praise for all of my days because He made a way for me.